Hi everyone! Today I'm going to introduce Haniway, a town in Iloilo full of history, culture, and life. From its early beginnings with local leaders to the community it is today, let's get to know this amazing town. The town of Haniway got its name from local stories. One story says it came from the names Han and Uway, the sons of a Datu, while another says it came from Hani, meaning victory, and Uway, a kind of vine. Haniway started its early settlements around 1578 in places like Ubian and Yabon, led by local Datos. In 1738, Dato Buhawi accepted Spanish rule while Dato Dumagtol resisted. It officially became a town in 1769 through the recommendation Spanish Governor Francisco Bayot de Ocampo. This shows how Haniway grew from small communities into an organized town. Local heroes. The town of Haniway does not have a single founder as it originated from early indigenous settlements led by local datos around 1578. Among them, Dato Buhawi is often considered an important figure after he recognized Spanish authority in 1738. While Dato Dumagtol resisted colonization, Haniway was later officially established as a pueblo in 1769 through the recommendation of Spanish Governor Francisco Bayot de Ocampo, marking its formal foundation under Spanish rule. Geography. Haniway, Iloilo Province is a municipality in the Philippines located about 33 kilometers from Iloilo City. It has a land area of 179.10 square kilometers and is landlocked. The municipality features a mix of flat plains in the east, mainly used for rice farming, and gently rolling hills and valleys in the west. Rivers, such as the Swagi River and Magapa River, support irrigation and influence settlement patterns. Haniway has a tropical climate within warm temperatures and regular rainfall suitable for agriculture. Its flora mainly includes crops and vegetation typically of farming areas, while fauna consists of common rural animals. The population is distributed across 60 barangays, with most residents belonging to the Visayan group and no prominent ethnic minorities. Economically, Haniway is primarily agricultural, with rice farming as the main livelihood. Small business and local trade also support community, making a largely rural municipality with an economy centered on agriculture. Culture. The culture of Baniway is rich in traditions, festivals, and strong religious beliefs. The town celebrates important events like the Patronal Fiesta every January 28 in honor of San Julian de Cuenca, as well as the Sorong and Sadsad festivals, which highlight local history, agriculture, and community unity. The people mainly speak Hiligaynon and practice customs influenced by Catholic traditions such as processions and communal gatherings. Haniway is also known for historical sites like the San Julian of Cuenca Parish Church and the Haniway Cemetery, which reflect its Spanish-era heritage. The Sorong Festival, An eco-agricultural celebration showcases the historical journey and resilience of Haniwainon residents amid challenges, integrating agricultural displays with traditional performances to foster local pride. Held periodically to align with seasonal themes and feature street parades, product exhibits from rice and sugarcane farming to the area's economic and communal fest reflective of Hiligaynon customs emphasizing bayanihan.